There are a lot of different types of domestic violence cases. I handle all of them, juvenile cases, adult cases, and whether it's a misdemeanor or a felony, I handle all domestic violence cases. Misdemeanor, that's punishable by up to a year in jail. Felony, it depends on which one you're charged with. So felony by strangulation is a third-degree misdemeanor where you impede the person's ability to breathe, and you're looking at 5 years in prison. If you have prior domestic violence, you can be charged with a felony domestic violence. Again, that is 5 years in prison, third-degree felony. Now, you can also have other crimes that aren't called domestic violence, but you can have an aggravated assault, aggravated battery that are domestic violence. So for example, if you point a gun at somebody, then that can be charged much more harshly, and you can be looking at a second degree or first degree felony. And if you kill somebody that's a domestic violence matter, well, you're going to get charged with murder. But the whole gamut, I handle those cases. Some of them you're going to be scoring mandatory prison. All of them require mandatory counseling if you're convicted or you plead to the charge. What you're trying to do is you're trying to win that case for you, especially if you're facing false allegations. But you need a lawyer on these cases, especially if it's your child too. You know, a lot of times you got the parent and child and you have them in an argument or fight. It still affects your child's record, and you don't want that on there. If it's a felony as a juvenile, it counts as a felony as an adult. So domestic violence, very serious. I handle all of them. Recently we had a case where my client was charged for like the third time on a domestic violence. We did a stand your ground, and we had to actually have a hearing on it. My client was clearly innocent. Prosecutor would not drop the charge, so we did a motion to dismiss on the stand your ground law, and the judge found in our favor, and that charge was dismissed. So a lot of these cases, agenda, weak, the alleged victim might not want to testify, so you need to hire a lawyer so that we can get you through this difficult process and keep you out of jail and keep your record clean.